Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Microsoft Excel is not responding start starting or opening on Windows 11. So click on start, then here click on add or remove programs. Open just this setting. So here you will see a list of applications. Just guys, you have to find out Office. So you will see Microsoft Office. So here you will see Microsoft Office. Click on these three dots. Then here click on modify. Click on yes. Here you will see two options: quick repair, fix most issues quickly without the need for an internet connections. So just click on repair. Ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you want to be able to use your Office program until we are done. So just click on repair. Before you do anything, save your work before continue. We need to close the following apps, like if you open the Microsoft Word, Excel or any Office program. So firstly save your data and close them, then click on continue. Now wait for few minutes till this process will be complete. Now guys, once you see done repairing, we finished repairing your Office program and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. So this is the first method guys. If this method not work, so you can try second method. Again open add or remove programs, and here now again click on this three dot in Microsoft Office, modify, click on yes. Now this time guys, you have to select this second option, online repair, fixes all issues but take a little longer and requires an internet connections throughout. You can select this option if you are still having problems after a quick repair. So if this quick repair is not resolve your problem, so you can try this second option. So select the second option, then repair. Ready to start an online repair. We will download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. If you are on metered connections, this may charge extra. Please keep this in mind when getting online content. So don't worry about these things, just start your internet and click on repair. So it will take some time guys, so complete this process, and once this complete, restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve Excel all problems. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.